Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasishtha from Cadnest Basvanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. So today I am discussing about how to be happy. So what is meant by happy? Happiness is a state of mind. Specifically, it is a state of well-being and contentment. But the definition can be tricky and assumptions about the word can cause confusion. Many don't even realize learning how to be happy in something that can be intentionally practiced. So some people, when they hear the word happiness, assume it is speaking of an emotion, such a pleasure or joy. For them it is what people feel in the immediate here and now. This is the reason some people say, don't pursue happiness. Seek joy. Happiness is fickle and fading. Joy remains forever. But this short-term definition of happiness is not how everyone understands the word. Some defines it to mean long-term satisfaction. In fact, when I speak of experiencing happiness in life, I am not thinking of short-term emotions at all. I think of a quality of living, a much longer term view of the world. Both definitions are understood to be correct and speak of different realities here, but are they really that different? I don't think so. After all, a long term experience of a life satisfaction is almost certainly it is made up of many short term feelings of joy and also pleasure. Does that mean every day is a great day? With no trials, temptations or downturns? Certainly it's not possible. But it does mean when we look back at many seasons of life, we can look back satisfied at how we navigated them. So here, let's study few points. Choose happiness. The most important thing to realize about happiness is that it is not an outcome of current circumstances. Just the opposite. Happiness is a choice. Is this easier on some days than others? Absolutely. But if you get caught in trap of thinking your circumstances need to change before you can be happy, you will never ever get there. So focus on good. There are good things in your life right now. You are alive. You are fed. You are healthy. You have family and friends. You have opportunities each and every day to pursue meaningful work. Maybe not all of those are true for you right now, but certainly some of them are, which means there is good in your life that you can focus on. Happiness is about a perspective, and if you are looking for reasons to be happy, you will probably find them. Happiness people focus on positive thoughts. So here also we should stop comparing ourselves with others. No matter how you choose to define happiness, short term or long term, comparison will rob you of it. Whether we compare our finances, our body type, our vacations, our talents, our house size or our shoe size, there are no winners in the game of comparison. But here's the good news. Nobody is forcing you to play. You can stop at any time you want. Be grateful for what you have. Appreciate who you are. Work hard every day to live your best life and stop comparing yourself to others. Practice gratitude and generosity. So in the world of positive psychology, there are few themes that emerge every time happiness is studied, both of which can only be understood correctly when we see them as disciplines rather than responses. A discipline is something we practice regardless of our circumstances. If you are waiting for enough money to become generous, you will never get there. Likewise, if you are waiting for everything to be perfect, to be grateful, you will never experience it. Choose to be thankful today and choose to be generous with your time and money. Making them both a discipline in your life will result in a happier today and also tomorrow. Don't pursue physical possessions. So, possessions are necessary for life, but our society has seemed to confuse consumerism with happiness. Slowly but surely, we began to believe their empty promises and waste our lives pursuing things that can never satisfy. We sacrifice time, money, energy, and focus chasing and accumulating things we do not need. These excess possessions add stress, worry, burden onto our lives. Want to become a bit more happy today? Go declutter a closet or drawer and start to challenge consumerism in your life. With this, I am completing my session today. Thank you.